Alright, I need to make a signboard for the stickers I've been receiving from other content creators and makers. And, well, being a woodworker, you can't just have a signboard. You gotta make one. So today I got a couple pieces of old hickory and a little piece of sign material. Let's see where we can take this. So on most projects, I usually start at the joiner, getting the wood surface and ready to go. This is something I resawed a little while back, so it needs a little attention. So we'll start there. Alright, I've got this hickory run through the joiner and the planer. Now I'm going to rip it down to size. And you don't have to, but I do recommend swapping to a rip blade or having a combination blade when you're ripping hardwood. Makes a big difference. So if you got the time and the blade, swap it over. Alright, so I need to cut a rabbet in the back of my frame that I'm building, so this is the material I'm using, so let's see what we got here. A little over 8. And you can see it fluctuates a little bit, so I'll go a little deeper. It doesn't have to be precise. So I need to cut a rabbet in the frame, and I could use the router table, the table saw, but I've got a joiner. And a lot of people don't use the joiner for everything that it can do or everything it's designed to do. Today, I'm going to put that rabbet in there, a rabbet, rebate, whatever you want to call it, in there with the joiner. Let's see what happens. Using a setup block that about 7/30 seconds will work for what I'm doing. It does not have to be precise. Just leave yourself a little bit of room if you're gluing it in or however you're attaching it. Whatever works for you. Alright, so I've determined that on my frame, if I can reach it, I want to put a 1/2 inch wide rabbet 7/30 seconds deep. So I'm going to use the joiner today to do that. And all I'm going to do is adjust it over until I get a 1/2 inch of width. Use a setup block. Lock it down. I like that right there. All right. Then I'm going to adjust the depth for a small bite. And I'm not too bad right now to start out with. And I need to remove my guard. When removing the guard, be careful. There's an exposed blade there now. If you don't feel safe doing that, don't do it. Alright, I predetermined which grain I wanted up and out and where I want my rabbet. So I've got them all marked. Mark your boards because it can get confusing. And I'm going to roll with it. Alright, so there you go. A nice rabbit. Very easy, very straight, very smooth, very safe. Alright, I'm getting ready to put this back in for this sign board or sticker board. I'm just going to use hot glue. Nothing to it. Sitting in a rabbit. A little bit of weight to hold it down. Waiting on the glue gun to get hot. Alright, here's the finished product. Just a board to put stickers on. Nothing but scrap hickory, old sign material, a little bit of Padoop. And that'll do it. Be a mail call coming soon, putting stickers on. Alright, thanks for watching.